back to its original size. With these words, a very warm good morning to one and all. Today, we, the students of Class 9th E, are going to conduct the morning assembly on the theme Right to Information Act under the guidance of our class teacher, Shabana ma'am. Every new day has its own new journey, and this new journey is destined by God. So let's show our gratitude towards Him by a prayer by Shivani Vaikar.
The mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depths of truth, while tireless striving stretches its arm towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
By taking an oath, we remind ourselves our virtue and responsibilities. So here comes Sampada to spread the sense of fraternity among us.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
One kind sentence can change one's entire day. So here comes Shivam to inspire us with his thought.
Every bad situation has some good. Even a stopped clock shows the right time twice a day. Good morning. Today's thought for the day is think no more, just ask. Use the Right to Information Act to rightfully demand the information from the government.
News has the ability to empower the informed. So let's be more informed and aware via today's news by Bhumika.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Friday appeared before a magistrate court in Surat to confess his record statement in a criminal defamation case filed against him over his remark about the Modi surname during a campaign rally in 2009. Now some international news. Washington, October 13, Director General of the World Health Organization Tedros Adhanom warned that a new virus may emerge at some point that cannot be contained in the future. China will take full control of a military base in Tajikistan near the Afghan border that it has been quietly operating and will also build a new base for the Tajik government according to a report on Thursday. Move towards the science corner. Astronomers may have spotted the first unknown exoplanet in another galaxy. The planet appears to be orbit massive star circling a dead star in the Whirlpool galaxy. But not the least, the sports news. India's double Olympic medalist PV Sindhu cruised into the quarterfinals of the French Open badminton tournament. Thank you.
A word has the power to demolish the evil and bring a new dawn. So let's increase our vocabulary and skill by the word of the day by Snail Sase.
Good morning everyone. Words of the day. Incumbent. The meaning of the word, something that is morally binding. It can be used in sentences like this. The governments realize that it's incumbent on people to act. Second word of the day, cognizant. The meaning of the word, awareness or realization. It can be used in sentence like this. People should be cognizant of what's going on around them. I repeat my words. Firstly, incumbent, and second word is cognizant.
What is Right to Information Act? When and why had it came into existence? What's the need of this act and what's the purpose behind it? To answer all these queries and give us a detailed account on RTI Day, here comes Ayush Parishar.
The theme of the day is RTI Act. The Right to Information Act is a revolutionary act that aims to promote transparency in government institutions in India. The act came into existence in 2005 after sustained efforts of anti-corrupt activists. Bringing information to the citizen, Right to Information Act 2005 mandates timely response to citizens' requests for government information. It is an initiative taken by Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievance and Pensions to provide a RTI portal gateway to the citizens for quick search of information on the details of first appellate authorities, PIOs, etc. Amongst others, Beside access to the RTI related information, disclosure published on the web by various public authorities under the Government of India as well as the state governments. Thank you.
The RTI Act not only decreases the poverty and corruption in the society, but also breaks the barriers between us and the eternal world of information. So let's dive into the world of knowledge and find out answers to all our queries.
Government of India passed the RTI Act in 2005. Any citizen may appeal information from the government authority, and it is the duty of that authority to revert back within 13 days. The aim of RTI is to promote transparency and accountability in the working of every public authority and to eradicate any type of corruption within, who are all covered under the RTI. RTI covers various departments as the sole spirit of the Act is to promote transparency and accountability within the government. Although almost all the departments and bodies controlled or funded by the central government are covered under the Act, departments funded by the state government are accessible only in those states which have the state RTIs. How to file an RTI? There are 3 ways to file the RTI. Number 1. Online by visiting the site freshenline.gov.in. Number 2. Via post to the concerned department. Number 3. In person by visiting the Public Information Officer of the concerned department.
Let's show our gratitude, affection. Please be ready in the attention positions.